I found this restaurant, Chennai Express, in Millwoods part of Edmonton. The reason behind looking for a restaurant like this was I was craving for non-vegetarian South Indian food, which surprisingly not many restaurants in Edmonton serve. Most of the South Indian restaurants here in Edmonton serve vegetarian food, but I have lived in the coastal parts of South India, so I was craving for South Indian non-vegetarian food, and I think I found the right place. So here I show you and present to you Chennai Express, located. So here is my rating for this restaurant. Ambience, I would give it 3 out of 5. It had a nice South Indian touch to it. Uh, could have been better, but it's good. Service wise, when we went, there was quite a few tables. Uh, there was only two servers serving the restaurant, and could have had more servers. So service was a little slow. I would give it 3 out of 5. The quality of food was good, so 4 out of 5. Obviously, the presentation, as you see in the reel, was excellent. So I would give it 4 out of 5. Overall rating about the food and the restaurant, I would give it 4 out of 5. You guys must go there and try it and let me know how you like the restaurant and the food. And please like, subscribe, and share my reel. And if you have not still subscribed to my YouTube channel, Reviews by Sanjay, please do so. And I look forward to bring you many more reviews about restaurants in Edmonton and other areas soon. Cheers.